Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to scan document to PDF using OneDrive on your mobile. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your OneDrive. Go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Go ahead and click on Scan Photo. Then position the core documents and to automatically capture the document. Go ahead and click on here. Now you have it right here. You can rotate, you can rotate, you can rotate, you can retake if you do not like the option. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Preview and Edit. Then you can crop here. You can add ink. Let's, for instance, I want to mark some certain area, so I can select ink right here and decide to mark this point right here. Then I'll click on it. Click on here to accept that. I can go on and add text right here, so I can decide and say new file attached. So you can add anything to the document. So once you are done, go ahead and click on accept. Then you can go on and so once you are done, go ahead and click on finish right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter the document title right here. Once you enter the document file, go ahead and click on this check mark to load. Uploaded. So go ahead and check the file from your gallery. Go to File from the top right here. Go to My File. Then go ahead and look for the file right here. So you can see my new DOC. So let's check it out. Now we have it right here. It's that simple. For more tutorials, tips and tricks on how to use your OneDrive, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.